Hey, what's up and welcome back everybody. Today, as you can see, we are going to be trying some Raising Cane's chicken tenders. Yes, y'all. So since I've been in Texas now for little over 3 years, I have never tried Raising Cane's. Now my grandfather loves it. Everybody I know raves about it. So if it's good enough for Papa, we gonna see if it's good enough for me. So let's get into it. First off, I just want to appreciate the packaging. I love this container. I am a sucker for packaging and containers, y'all. Alright, now. So we got us some bread. I chose 3 tenders and the fries. No coleslaw because I don't like coleslaw. Here's a little peek for y'all. And the bread. And then to go with my tenders and fries, I also got a drink, and it's just a plain Sprite. It's just okay. First of all, I love butter bread. This is a plain Texas toast type bread. Nothing special. I like it though. So how are y'all today? Fries are crispy. Y'all doing all right? That's good. Alright, so I was specifically recommended to eat it with the sauce. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I don't care for the smell of the sauce, but let me dip the fry in the sauce first. The sauce is not terrible. It's not terrible. But it's not like, ooh, the best sauce, I gotta have it either. So let's get into the chicken tender. Look at the tender. I mean, the batter kind of came off of this one, but alright. Dip it in the sauce like I was told. I don't know, y'all. Oh, let me try one more bite. That was a lot of sauce. Oh, all right. From those 2 bites, it's just okay. It's not what I thought it would be. I didn't actually come into this like with an expectation of some sort because I really didn't know what it would taste like. I like the fries with the sauce, but I don't like the chicken with the sauce. Yes, there's a difference in how it tastes with the chicken than with the fries for me. But I mean, I really like the chicken. The chicken is plain. It is very unseasoned. Yes. But it is juicy and the skin is crispy. I stands me a crispy chicken tender. However, I don't mind it being plain because, like I said, I was told that you're supposed to eat the tenders with the sauce. I don't care for the sauce. It's just okay. Like, it's not something spectacular. Oh, this is the new craze to have with your chicken tenders and fries. I prefer some Chick-fil-A sauce, to be honest. Or some hot sauce for that matter. Y'all know, I don't know if I told y'all in the previous video, but I have a thing against crinkle cut fries. I like fries, but crinkle cut fries, I don't know. Growing up, my mom always made crinkle cut fries. So for 20 odd years of my life, all I ate were crinkle cut fries. Excuse me. It's like she went to the fry section of the grocery store, but the only fries she saw were crinkle cut fries. Not the shoestring fries, not the steak fries, not the curly fries, not no regular fries, just crinkle cut fries. So, crinkle cut fries haunt me, if y'all did not already know. But other than being a crinkle cut fry, the fries are pretty good. They're salted, crispy like I like. No complaints. But let's get back to this chicken, because I don't want to dip it in this sauce. So I'm gonna grab some hot sauce. And wham! I got my handy dandy Frank's Red Hots. Frank's Red Hot sauce. But anyway, I don't know if I said it yet, but I am doing pretty well, Oh. The hot sauce makes up for it being unseasoned. I'm gonna actually try the chicken tender with the sauce, then with some hot sauce. All right. Get somebody else to do it. No, ma'am. No, sir. Oh. Y'all lied to me. I'm mad at everybody that said CANES was good. Why do I need burger with chicken tenders? That's the crazy part, because it's not terrible, it's not disgusting, it's just bland and blah. Like, oh my god, it's literally just blah. Like, the sauce doesn't do anything or enhance it for me. It's just like a seasoned mayo. Like, it's not like it's a spicy mayo. It's just like, it just tastes like plain mayonnaise with some seasoning. Like, to make it red, they probably put some paprika or something in there for the color. But y'all, the way that people talk about Raising Cane's chicken tenders, I would have thought I was about to fall in love. I'm disappointed. If the sauce is supposed to be what makes it special, it don't do it for me. This is why you never believe the hype. Never believe the hype. I wonder, is it because my grandfather getting old? Is that it? Because he up in age, like, let him tell it. Raising Cane's is the best thing since sliced bread. Fun fact. It took me 27 years to learn that sliced bread was an invention. Like, sliced bread was invented 100 years ago. Betty White was older than sliced bread. So y'all really out here. So, like, it puts a whole new meaning on the term breaking bread. Like, y'all really out here like, you get a piece. You get a piece. Everybody gets a piece. I don't mean to play with my food, but really? Like, excuse me. Y'all really out here just pinching off loaves or just biting the loaves with multiple people? That's what we did out here. So what did they do back in all them years? Because this just baffles me. Sliced bread, y'all. Sliced bread. Like, you know, throughout your life, you hear jokes about sliced bread. But the fact that that's a legit thing. Like, sliced bread is 100 years old. Well, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I'm not gonna make it through this last tender. I'm gonna just take a bite and pretty much be done with it. Okay, y'all, I did lie. Okay, I'm gonna just finish it. I don't want it to be a waste. That's the only reason I'm gonna finish it. That's the only reason. Like I said, y'all, the chicken was juicy. It was juicy and the skin was crispy. Like I like it. It just ain't got no flavor to it. Y'all lied to me. I'm mad at everybody that said, oh, it's gonna be good, you gotta try them, they real good, they gonna be the best tenders you ever had, make sure you eat it with the sauce, because with the sauce it's good. Y'all, I didn't like it. It was just okay. It was just blah. It didn't add or enhance the plain chicken tenders. So, like I said, y'all, learn from me. Don't believe the hype. Learn from me. Don't always believe the hype. That ain't where it's at. burn your esophagus. Alright now. Overall, like I said, just alright. Would I get the chicken tenders again? Probably not, because they weren't better than Babe's chicken tenders. Y'all know I love me some Babe's chicken tenders. But other than that, they was just alright. That's all I got for y'all today. I appreciate y'all coming to join me while I have my lunch and try Raising Cane's for the first time. It did not live up to the hype, FYI. But y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day. Be safe, be happy. And with that, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.